Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create call-only ads campaigns in Google Ads. You see, call-only campaigns in Google Ads are designed specifically to drive phone calls to your business. So they are great for businesses where phone calls are the primary conversion goal, like plumbers, locksmiths or restaurants. Here's how to create one. The first step is to choose the right campaign type. When creating a new campaign in Google Ads, select the leads or sales goal. While website traffic might seem tempting, it is not optimized for call-only ads. Google will then suggest relevant campaign type. Choose call-only. I repeat, when you're creating a new campaign in Google Ads, select leads or sales goal. Then Google will suggest relevant campaign types. Then you choose call-only. The next step is campaign settings. Give your campaign a clear and descriptive name, for example, emergency plumbing call only. Then choose a bidding strategy focused on calls, for example, maximum conversions or maximize conversions value. I repeat, maximize conversions or maximize conversion value if you're tracking call values are good options. You can also use target CPA if you have enough conversion data. Set daily budgets. Then use location targeting, which is crucial for call-only campaigns. You need to target the specific geographic areas you serve. Be as precise as possible. Then enable call reporting. This is essential for tracking the success of your call-only ads. It allows Google to measure calls that originate from your ads. Next step is the ad group creation. You need to create relevant ad groups based on the services or products you offer, e.g., drain cleaning or leak repair. Then use keywords that indicate a user is likely to call. Think about the immediate needs of your potential customers, e.g., emergency plumber near me, clogged drain repair, 24-hour plumber. So use a combination of broad, phrase, and exact match keywords. Next step is ad creation. Write compelling headlines that highlight your unique selling points and encourage immediate calls, including your phone number directly in the headline. Google might also extract this from your business information, but keep the headlines concise and action-oriented. Then you briefly describe your services and emphasize the benefits of calling you. Include a clear call to action. For example, call now for a free quote, or speak to an expert. Ensure your business name is accurate and clearly displayed, and double check that your phone number is correct and formatted for click-to-call functionality. While the focus is on calls, you can also include a final URL. This is useful if someone clicks the headlines, not the call button, and wants to learn more on your website. However, the primary goal is the call. Now you have to use extensions, which is highly recommended. You have location extensions. These are essential for call-only campaigns because they make it easier for people to find your business and see your phone number. We also have call-out extensions. That is, add call-outs to highlight special offers, guarantees, or unique selling points. For example, 24/7 emergency service, free estimates, licensed and insured. Those are examples of call-out extensions. Next, we have site link extensions. Use this with caution because site links can be tricky with call-only ads. They might distract users from the primary goal of calling, so use them sparingly and make sure they are mobile optimized. Next step is tracking and optimization. Set up conversion tracking to measure calls as conversions. This is crucial for understanding the ROI, that is returns on investment, of your campaigns. Also, regularly monitor your campaign performance and make adjustments as needed. Analyze the search terms reports to identify new keywords and exclude irrelevant ones. Test different ad copy and headlines to see which one performs best. Now, I want to give you some key things to consider for call-only ads. Number 1, mobile optimization. Call-only ads are primarily designed for mobile devices. Business hours. Make sure you have staff available to answer calls during the times your ads are running. 3. Call quality. Ensure your staff is trained to handle incoming calls efficiently and professionally. So by following all the steps, you can create effective call-only campaigns that drive valuable phone calls to your business. Remember to continuously monitor and optimize your campaigns to maximize your results. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.